Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR underscore address underscore unreachable. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to the internet. How you can check if you are connected or if you are already connected to in a Wi-Fi or an internet connection, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the taskbar. There you can see a Wi-Fi icon, click on it and here, click on this forward arrow key and just have to try to connect to any available Wi-Fi or any available internet that is accessible to you. Once you are done, once you are connected, try to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the second solution, and that is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So you need to navigate to your Google Chrome browser, make a right click, then from here, please click on Open to enter. So expand it first and navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Scroll down and find for settings. Once you have opened the settings, please proceed to the left side of that. Click for privacy and security. And under the privacy and security section, there you can see delete browsing data and this ones would appear. So please mark all of this checked and then proceed to delete data. In this way, you would be able to clear browser cached and cookies. So once you're done with such, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to flush DNS and reset the network settings. How we can do that, please navigate to the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Once you have typed it, a best match should appear a command prompt system. Navigate to the right side of that, click for run as administrator. So once a black window would appear that contains the command prompt, all you need to do is you need to type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Click on the enter key and once it says here successfully flush the DNS resolver cached, this time please type for netsh space winsock space reset. Then click on the enter key and once it marks here successfully reset, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close the window and then you need to navigate to the start icon. Click on it and then there you can see a power menu button. Please click on it once again and click for restart. Once you have restarted it, try to check if the error has been resolved. Okay? So if not, then the last option that you can do is that you can update your Google Chrome browser. How we can do that? Bring up the Google Chrome browser again, make a right click, click on open, and then this time please expand it again and then click forward these three dots and then there you can see settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane. There you can see about Chrome. So it will automatically check for updates. So now it's checking for updates. In my case, it marked here Chrome is up to date. If in your case it's not, then don't worry because it will automatically update your computer. You just have to connect to an internet. Okay? Once you are done, it will ask you to relaunch. Just have to click on relaunch in order to reopen the Chrome again. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. Please click also the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.